That's a good one. Birthright. That's a big one.
President Donald Trump's executive order says babies born on U.S. soil after February 19th will not automatically become U.S. citizens. If neither parent is a lawful permanent U.S. resident, the child can be deported.
We think we have good grounds.
Opponents disagree and filed multiple lawsuits Tuesday challenging the president's authority to do this.
I do think it's going to be a hotly contested issue, and I do believe that ultimately the Supreme Court will have to weigh in.
UNT Dallas law professor Brian Owsley says birthright citizenship hasn't been directly challenged in court since 1898, when the Supreme Court decided it should exist. Trump is now pushing for an interpretation of the 14th Amendment different from the one U.S. law has leaned on for 125-plus years. But this Supreme Court has scrapped prior rulings before.
I really didn't believe that Roe v. Wade would ever be overturned, and it has been. So it's a situation wherein, we're looking at something that is unprecedented in our country's history.
Immigration attorney Eric Cedillo says he expects the legal fight will delay the executive order's effect, potentially until the high court decides its fate. That could mean years of uncertainty.
No human being should have to experience that.
Dallas's Sandra Avalos is a DACA recipient, a dreamer, in the United States lawfully, but not a permanent resident. Her son is because of birthright citizenship. That status allows him opportunities many take for granted, she says.
When you start college, to applying for loans for a house, to being a stable parent to society, all those things that are part of the American dream, you only have those because you have a social.
The executive order would not apply to her child, but a generation of dreamers like Avalos are having children now who will be affected by the debate. In Tarrant County, I'm Matt Houston.